In today's video, we're going to look at creating a form in Google Sheets. You can create a form directly within a Google Sheet or from Google Drive. To create it from Google Drive, you click on the Create button on the top left and select Form. And this opens a blank form for you. The first panel that you're shown is the place where you can name your form, and then I can select a theme. So I'll just select this Bluebirds theme and click OK. Then I'm brought into the main edit part of the form, and this is where I can start asking my questions. The questions can be in a variety of formats. They can be text, paragraph text, multiple choice, checkboxes, choose from a list, e.g. true or false or yes or no, a scale from 1 to 5, a grid, rate things in order of your preference, a date, e.g. nominate your preferred date, time, e.g. nominate your preferred time. So I'll have a look at setting up some of these types of questions. So the question title is, this is basically your question. So what does 1 plus 1 give? Question mark. So I'll leave this as a multiple choice. So option 1 is gives 1, option 2 is gives 0, option 3 is gives 3, and option 4 is none of the above. Now at this point you can click on go to page based on answer if you want to fork the form, but I'm happy with that, and I can click on required question and click on done. So ticking required question means that the respondents must give an answer, and then I can click on the button add item, and now I can ask my second question, and let's say, is this form any good? And I'll select this as a scale, so rubbish. Brilliant. Click on done. Click on add item to add a third question. Is your background employment? And this might be a series of checkboxes, so you can add more than one. So tech, journalism, education, student, and with checkboxes you can tick more than one. Click on done, and so on. So I'll add one more item, and this can be please leave your email address. And this will be just a simple one box. Under advanced settings you can set data validation, which will give certain prompts. Text does not contain at, and the message is invalid email address, and that's done. So you can view the live form by clicking the button here, which opens up another tab, and you can see how your form looks. So I'm happy enough with that. And then you can decide, well, show progress bar at the bottom. So if you have a lot of questions, it's sometimes a good idea to click on this so that respondents can see how much progress they're making and how close they are to the end of survey. You can choose to send the form, and this allows you to send a link to embed it into a spreadsheet. There's a HTML iframe. Just copy and paste that into your web page. Or you can send the form via email addresses. So finally, when you want to leave the form open, you can choose respondents' destinations, so they can go to a new spreadsheet or a new sheet in the existing spreadsheet. So we'll just create a new spreadsheet and click on create. And if you click on the view responses, that opens the attaching spreadsheet, which has the timestamp for the time that the form was submitted, and here are the questions, and below this will be the answers to the questions. And at the moment the form is open, so when you want to close it off, you can click on accepting responses and then not accepting responses, so people cannot submit future answers into the form. Thank you for watching.